Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for May 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. At sa pinned comment, pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see Cancer, what's up? Ano yung energies for you ngayong May 2025? Actually, magandang energies ng May kasi isa lang yung planet na magre-retrograde, which is in May 4, Pluto will retrograde. But lahat direct yan. So, let's see Cancer. Okay, so you have the 12th house. North Node in Aries in the 12th house. Wow. So, parang you are being directed to your destiny. Maaring meron kang realization, no, sa mga bagay na gusto mong i-pursue. Ito yung sa subconscious mo na hindi mo napapansin before. Pwedeng parang pinagkikibit-balikat mo. Hindi mo pinagtutuunan ng focus. Pero yun pala yung magdadala sa'yo sa destiny mo, sa life's purpose mo. So I feel like you will have this realization na ito yung kailangan ko palang i-pursue, ito pala yung magandang gawin. Maari ring transformational sa inyo ang May. Dito yung meron ka mga madidiscover sa sarili mo na magaling ka pala sa ganitong bagay, or ito pala yung isa sa mga talents mo, or meron ka pa palang i-improve sa skills mo. So this is you healing as well, kasi 12th house is also an energy of healing from your past, and North Node here is asking you na to move forward, to move on. With Aries energy, this is taking action, na talagang gagawa ka na ng paraan para may magbago sa buhay mo. You have Hagalas. This is about crisis, disruption. So, maaring meron ka munang kailangang pagdaanan na challenge. Pero itong challenge na to, ito yung magpapalakas sa'yo. Ito yung magpaparealize sa'yo na, I am stronger than I realize pala. So, mas malakas ka pala kaysa sa inaakala mo. 'Di ba? Minsan ganoon kailangan natin na may pagdaan ng pagsubok para ma-realize natin yung mga kakayanan natin na hindi natin alam na meron tayo. Dahil mas nasusubok tayo, no? Yung kakayanan natin kapag merong challenge, kapag may problema. 'Di ba? Kaysa sa wala. Hindi naman talaga mawawala ang problema. Laging darating yan, tapos masosolve natin, tapos we gain wisdom, natututo tayo, and that's the positive side of life, no, ng pagdating sa mga challenges. You also have Dagas. Dagas is about your self-love, self-care. So I think ngayong May, pagtutuunan mo ng pansin yung sarili mo. Mas mamahalin mo yung sarili mo. Mas aalagaan mo yung sarili mo. Whether merong person sa buhay mo na inaasahan mo na alagaan ka or wala. No? Kasi ang importante is ikaw sa sarili mo, naasahan mo yung sarili mo na mag-alaga sa sarili mo. 'Di ba? You also have, ang ganda nito, Gaybo. Gaybo is about opportunities. So, maaring merong magagandang opportunities na darating sa'yo na magli-lead sa'yo sa destiny mo. Na hindi mo inaakala na doon ka pala, no, ili-lead ng universe. 'Di ba? Minsan, kumbaga, yung iba example, no, sasabihin nila sa mga interviews, yung mga successful people na, alam nyo, hindi ko inaakala na dito pala ako. Kasi never in my wildest dreams na naisip ko yan. Pero, God works in mysterious ways na nagpapadala siya ng mga tao, ng mga sitwasyon, na kung saan yun yung tutulong sa'yo na ma-lead ka doon sa destiny mo that will bring you happiness. And Gaybo is also about generosity. Blessing. So, maaring meron kang blessing na matutupad or na matatanggap, at ito ay isi-share mo rin sa iba. So, the more you share your blessings, the more na mas mabibless ka. Okay, so let's see what else. For Cancer, ngayong May 2025. Oy, di ba? Prosperity. Yan. So, this is growth. Merong pag-unlad. Maaring taas ng sweldo mo or yung income mo, kinikita mo, yung business mo, lumalago, no? So, things are prosperous for you ngayong May. And of course, no, kung makikita mo, siya ay nagtatrabaho rin. Oo. Kaya, kumbaga, whatever you are working for, na ine-effortan mo, eventually, you will see the results. Dream, sweet, sleep deep. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong maisasaayos na sleeping condition ninyo. No? Kung yung iba, may issue sa pagtulog, meron kayong insomnia, maaring makakahanap kayo ng solusyon dyan, maiko-correct nyo yung inyong sleeping patterns. Or yung iba naman ay meron kayong, sa mga panaginip nyo, maaring magkakaroon kayo ng vivid dreams na yung tipong napakalinaw, napakaliwanag ng panaginip nyo, naaalala nyo pa, at maaring ito ay isang senyales or may message behind that tungkol sa bagay na dapat mong malaman. You also have passion. So, I think this is your passion for your career, your business, or anything na nandoon yung attention mo, pagmamahal mo. This can also be passion for your romantic partner. So, if you are in a relationship, maaring this person ay talagang makikitaan mo ng dedication sa relationship ninyo. If you're single, maaring passionate ka sa work mo, sa career mo, sa sources of income mo, kung paano mo pa mas mapapaunlad yung buhay mo. You have the King of Wands, meron dito ang travel opportunities for you. 7 of Swords. I think you are going to heal from someone na nanloko sa inyo. Kung meron man in the past na na-disappoint kayo, binetray kayo ng taong to, you are healing from that. And you are reinventing yourself. Siyempre kapag nakapag-heal na yung isang tao, para siyang renewed, bago, refreshed. So there's a new version of yourself na nag-emerge. Bagong ikaw. Oy! Dahil doon, darating na ang person na para sa'yo or opportunities that will lead to your destiny. So, example, no? Yung iba, maaring nag-separate sa kanilang romantic partner. And, syempre, devastating yun para sa iba. Kaya lang, minsan kailangan yun mangyari para makilala nyo yung talagang person na nakatalaga talaga para sa inyo. Someone who is meant for you. Na hindi mo to makikilala or makakasalamuha if you are still in a relationship na abusive or something na hindi ka na masaya, no? So, it's about you na exploring yung iba mong options. So, sa money, career, finances, yung iba sa inyo, you are into marketing, magaling kayong mag-promote. So, take advantage yung skill nyo na yan. Oh my God. North Star. North Star is your North Node. Diba? You are facing the future with excitement as you follow your dreams and embracing your passions in life. You are now directed to your life's purpose. Diba ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo? Learn how to say no. May mga bagay na kailangan mong tanggihan kung alam mo na hindi talaga ito makakabuti para sa'yo. And there's nothing wrong with that. Okay? It's okay to say no. Sa relationship, yan, effort. Kailangan talaga nag-effort sa relationship. Oo, especially kapag seryoso na, may commitment, 'di ba? Kailangan rin na napag-uusapan niyo na yung future niyo, paano yung finances ninyo. Yung iba kasi iniiwasan yung pag-usapan. Na, uy, may trabaho ka ba? Ganyan. Or anong plano mo. But if you think na seryoso na yung relationship, Bakit hindi, 'di ba? Bakit hindi niyo pag-usapan? You need to defend yourself. O, ayan, protection. You need to protect yourself. Love, deep affection, and caring. So, some of you, this is about your relationship, connection with someone. Pwede rin tong sa career path ninyo. Disappointment in a friend or a lover. Oh, maaring merong, I feel like ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na kung sino man yung mga tao, relationship, na kailangan nang umalis sa buhay mo, ito'y aalis talaga in some way or form. Okay? And then there's an announcement. So I think itong announcement na to is related to new opportunities na mag-unfold for you. Okay? So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.